Hello, I'm Stan Joseph from Bruder Healthcare, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of caring for your eyelids and lashes. Your patients wouldn't start their day without taking care of their teeth. But how about taking care of their eyes? We can all agree, cleaning eyelids and eyelashes daily is a habit that leads to healthier eyes, fewer eye infections, and improved ocular wellness. Sounds good. But how can you help make a lid hygiene routine a reality for your patients? Well, it's actually easier now than ever. Bruder offers a perfect all-in-one hygienic eyelid care kit that contains our #1 doctor-recommended Bruder Moist Heat Eye Compress, hygienic eyelid wipes, and an antibacterial hypochlorous acid solution spray, key components for improving eyelid and lash hygiene. A lid hygiene routine is important for everyone, especially dry eye and blepharitis patients, contact lens wearers, those who frequently use handheld electronic devices, and patients considering cataract, LASIK, or other eye surgery. The good news is that a daily routine that includes 3 steps, wiping away debris from lids and lashes, spraying to remove bacteria, and warming to open clogged meibomian glands in the eyelids, which all work together to improve the overall health of the ocular surface. To improve compliance and to reduce the time it normally takes to explain a proper lid cleansing routine to your patients, the kit includes step-by-step instructions for use. So let's talk about each item in the kit and how they work. Now, the first step in the routine is to clean your eyes using the Bruder Eyelid Cleansing Wipes. Wipe the surfaces of the eyelids and through the roots of the lashes to remove loose surface cells and prevent buildup on the lash line. That can cause infection and discomfort. The wipes feature a rinse-free formula that helps dissolve and remove excess oils and debris. Bruder wipes contain no harsh chemicals and leave behind no soapy residue to irritate the eyes. The pre-moistened, individually wrapped hypoallergenic wipes are gentle enough for daily use. Now, after cleaning the eyes with the eyelid cleansing wipes, the eyes will actually be more receptive to the benefits of step 2, the application of the Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Solution. Now, the spray contains 0.02% pure hypochlorous acid. Now, I know what you're thinking, but hypochlorous acid is part of the body's innate immune system. In fact, it's produced naturally to kill bacteria, fight inflammation, and enhance your natural ability to heal. It provides rapid and effective relief from dry and red itchy eyelids associated with conditions like blepharitis, dry eye, and meibomian gland dysfunction, or MGD. Apply 1 to 2 sprays of Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Solution to closed eyes. There is no need to rinse or wipe. Simply spray and let dry, allowing the gentle, hypoallergenic formula to clean and refresh. Now, the final step in a daily eye care cleansing routine is to use the Bruder Moist Heat Eye Compress. Now, this compress, commonly called the Bruder Mask, provides the moist and controlled heat required to effectively liquefy oil in the glands of the eyelids. This is important because blocked glands commonly cause discomfort, dry eyes, and redness. 20 seconds in the microwave delivers 8 to 10 minutes of just the right amount of heat required for an effective and therapeutic treatment. The Bruder Moist Heat Eye Compress can be used morning, noon, or night, whenever is most convenient for your daily routine. Now, additionally, included in the kit are Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Sheets. These microfine sheets allow moisture and heat to pass through without breaking down and helps keep the compress clean so it doesn't have to be washed as often between uses. The sheets provide a convenient and hygienic way to wipe away excess oil and secretions. This is especially helpful if you wear makeup. 3 simple steps. Wipe, spray, warm. By incorporating the Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Care Kit into your lid hygiene protocol, you'll not only be helping your patients, you'll be helping to build your practice. Kits can even be co-branded with your practice logo. To order or for more information, go to Bruder.com or contact a Bruder sales specialist today. And thanks so much for watching.
Bruder, better by design.